Good morning, good day. It's 8:44 a.m. It's really chilly outside. I don't know what's going on with the weather, but yesterday was a great day. The weather was amazing yesterday, so I guess it can't always be sunshine and rainbows. I'm grateful. Yesterday was an amazing day and I did enjoy the sun. This morning I am going to be making juice, celery, and ginger. It can be sunshine and rainbows all the time. So let me just enjoy the weather and the day as they come. Yesterday was super sunny and today it's cold. Most mornings are cold, but today you can't see anything. You can only see the plains. Mean green juice, celery, just celery and carrot, celery and ginger. Spicy. I can go twice as high. Just take a look. It's in the book, the reading rainbow. I can't go anywhere. I am on my way to the market to get stuff to make sorrel. A traditional drink that is usually made at Christmas time. For Jamaica, porque tengo canela, I have cinnamon in the house.
¿Cuántos, amiga?
Jamaica, ¿cuánto vale?
Jamaica se me acabó, pero tiene acá.
Tienes dos tipos de Jamaica, ¿no?
Sí, ahorita nada más tengo una, 30 pesos así.
¿Y este Jamaica es de qué país?
Ese es Guerrero.
Guerrero. ¿Y de otro es de otro país?
Es Sudán, pero no
Sudán,
tengo.
¿no?
Pero esa es la mejor.
Ok, yo quiero. ¿No tiene más?
No, nada más me queda esta 30.
Órale, señora. 38 y 35. ¿Cuál es la diferencia de tamaños?
El tamaño.
¿Cuántos?
38 el kilo.
Un kilo, porfa. ¿Quién es? ¿Jamaica de Guerrero o de Sudán? Ah, nacional de Guerrero. Órale. Bacalao es el tiempo. Yo quiero esta caja. Sí. ¿Cuánto vale?
25 los 100 gramos.
100 gramos. Sí. 100, 2 gramos. 200 gramos.
200 gramos.
Sí, gracias. Gracias. I got home from the market and I'm gonna show you what I have for making sorrel. Jamaica. In Mexico it's called Jamaica. In Jamaica we call it sorrel. We have the skin of an orange. We have cinnamon stick or canela. We have ginger. We have 10 pimento berries and star anise. So I'm gonna put this in the pot. We're gonna boil this until the house smells like Christmas, you know what I mean? Then let it sit for a while and then we pour it out. So this is all the ingredients I have. All the ingredients here plus a secret ingredient. It's called piloncillo. It's like molasses. And this is what I'm gonna use as well. So I'm gonna use five baby ones. You have them in different size. So I'm gonna use 5. And if it needs more sweetening, we can always add sugar. So everything is gonna go in the pot. Everything is gonna go in the pot. This is what we have going on in the pot, and we are going to turn the flame on. So this is the sorrel. It has been boiling for some time now. So what I'm gonna do is turn this off, let it cool and sit a little bit. Then I'm gonna strain it, taste it, sweeten it, and see what needs to be added to it. And I'll take you along that process.